Johns Manville Mineral Wool Insulation is made from natural rock, it is non-combustible. You can see the insulation will glow red but will not melt or catch fire. JM's mineral wool insulation is designed to provide superior fire resistance and thermal properties and can be used in fire-rated wall assemblies as required by the building code. Johns Manville Mineral Wool also repels water. The insulation remains intact and does not slump, all while the interior remains dry and unaffected. It will not mildew, support the growth of fungi, or corrode. Johns Manville Mineral Wool is easy to cut with a standard insulation knife for quick installation. Right beside me is a plexiglass box, insulated with JM Mineral Wool Insulation. As we lift the lid, we can hear how loud the alarm is. When we replace the lid, you can no longer hear it. Installing JM Mineral Wool reduces unwanted noise from traveling from room to room, making buildings and homes quieter and more comfortable. Thank you for letting us showcase how Johns Manville Mineral Wool Insulation helps keep buildings drier, quieter, and safer. For more information, please go to jm.com.